Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a ransilio silver espresso machine. This machine, we did a tune-up on it. As you can see, the shower screen is very clogged up and actually need to be replaced, as well as the gasket. And I would recommend the customer to check it more often, since this is pretty worn out and the portafilter will start to damage the group over there. If it doesn't have a fresh filter, metal and metal will start grinding each other and will start wearing it out. So we also replaced the water pump as well, since this machine was running without water for a very long time, and it definitely forced this little pump and completely put it out of service. So let's check the steamer first and see if it good. Now let's just do some hot water as well, so we can cool down the machine and we can probably do coffee. You can see the machine is beginning to cool down a little bit, and the hot water is regulating, so that's the way it should come out. Really good flow, working perfectly. So let's just clean our espresso cup as well. And let's do our shadow espresso. Let me tighten up a little bit more of this. There you go. And let's see, let's show. Unfortunately, I didn't get the grind correctly, so I put it way too coarse. So it's not gonna do that a very thick layer of crema. It's just gonna do a tiny little one. But as you can see, has really good water flow. Fortunately, the grind was not the correct one, but machine is working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you so much for preparing more Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have a good day.